Magpapa-renovate ka ng bahay? Para sa'yo ang video na to.
Talk Talk! Renovation hacks you should know! Hack number 16! If you are planning to do paint refresh or paint job on your spaces, sabi nila 70% of the work is about preparation. So today, we are going to talk about paint preparation.
Number one sa paint preparation is clearing. Clearing and cleaning the area. Halimbawa, sa area na to, maglalagay tayo ng mga masking tape para sa mga areas na hindi dapat mapinturahan. Maglalagay tayo ng floor coverings para sa floor para hindi matalsikan ng pintura. At saka magtatanggal tayo ng mga hook sa wall. Halimbawa, kung yung wall ay may bintana, meron dyan mga curtain rods, tatanggalin natin yan, nakakabit yan sa hook, so tatanggalin yan lahat. To make sure na clear lahat yung wall natin. Okay?
On to number 2, part of the preparation ay yung patching, which focus on filling yung mga gaps and yung mga cracks. So, ayan, usually ginagamit natin dyan for patching is mga polytop, borals, or skim coat.
Number 3 naman ay sanding. Sanding, ibig sabihin, ililihan na natin ngayon yung mga pinatch natin kanina na mga holes and mga cracks. Di ba nilagyan na ng patching? Isa-sand na siya ngayon para maging smooth na yung surface. So, kung ano man yung ginamit yung pampatch, kailangan talaga siyang isand para maging smooth na yung wall natin at ready na siya for the number 4.
And finally, for our number 4 part of the preparation, yung tinatawag nating priming or yung pag-a-apply ng white na paint dun sa mga nasand natin. Like this one, if you can see, nalagyan na to ng patching. And then, nasand na rin. So, this one is ready for priming. However, on this part naman, nakapag-apply na rin ng first coat of primer. Ano yung purpose ng primer? Para mas madaling mag-bond o yung adhesion ng final coat, yung prefer nyo na color ng paint. Kasi if you don't know, kahit gaano kaganda yung walls natin, kung hindi natin na lagyan ng primer as part of the final preparation, hindi babond ng maayos yung paint. Sa umpisa lang, parang, ay, nag-work. Dinerecha ko na yung pag-apply ng paint. After a while, magbabubble siya o magpi-fill off. Kasi hindi na prepare ng tama yung wall. So for number 4 and last part of paint preparation, applications of 2 to 3 coats of primer.
Now you're done with all the preparations na kailangan, ready na ang wall mo for painting. So pwede mo na siyang i-paint ng kung ano mang preferred color mo for your wall.
So if you are looking for a service provider that can do the paint job for you, alam nyo na yung dapat nyong gawin, contact our company and i-flash namin yung details. That's it. Thanks for watching. Now you know.